Okay, go. Wait, hold on. Hold on. The lighting. Okay. Go. Yeah.
Okay. Hey guys, so for this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to take off the bumper for this 2017 CRV, and it's just going to be like a short video on that. Okay guys, so if you have one of these prying tools, it would be very helpful, and also if you have a screwdriver, it would be really helpful. So first, we're going to go into the car and we're going to remove the plastic clips that are keeping the bumper together with the car. Alright, so there's quite a few like plastic clips. Like the clearance for the clip is kind of tight, so maybe a screwdriver is like a better tool instead of the pry tool. But I'll just show you guys after I pop these off. Alright, so that's how the clip will look like, and there's quite a few under the car. You just make your own judgment to which clips are the ones that are keeping the bumper up. It's pretty obvious because like you'll be able to tell once you get into the car. So first you just want to remove all these clips. And if you break one, it's no big deal. Like we broke a couple, you can just buy them on eBay and replace them.
And how much is it? It's like
$5 for like 100 or something.
yeah, $5 for 100. So
yeah, don't be scared if you like bust the clip.
yeah.
Cause like we were so scared the first time.
And that's how we busted a bunch of them.
Yeah, so just stick it under and then just comes off like that. This feels really good when it gets stuck.
Yeah. Like it gives you that leverage. Yep, last one. Oh shit. Amazon Prime box is behind me. So now you're just giving it a wobble to make sure like so everything is off?
Yeah, if you guys shake it, you can tell like under, like the bumper is pretty much like all just detached from the bottom. So for your clips, when you guys take them off, you want to keep them in a neat pile so you don't lose them.
Alright, next part.
So after you take off all the clips from the bottom, there are two clips in the fender, like the fender liner. And
can you point to it?
So there's one screw here.
Okay.
There's a clip here.
Yeah.
And there's a clip that's up here. So 1, 2, and 3. So you want to remove.
I can get it. Okay, so
1,
okay,
2,
okay,
and 3.
okay.
Alright, so you want to remove these two clips and this screw. So if you have this like a ratcheting tool, then you don't really have to move the wheel, and you can just undo it from here. And I have the wrong size, but after you guys remove the screw and the two clips in the fender, you can just pull this part out. So it might be kind of scary at first, but like, it comes off really easily. So you can use a pry tool, but I just use my fingers to stick my hand in here. So you can see it's just held by this little clip down here to this part, and then there's 2 or 3 of these yellow or little white clips, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And then you want to take out these 2 screws so it releases the bumper. So I'm gonna do that right now. Alright, so after you guys take these 2 screws out, you don't have to worry about keeping them like organized. They're actually the same screw. And then we're going to be doing the same on the other side.
Okay, you got it.
You can just like gently wiggle it and the yellow clips will come off. And then you just like, yeah, there you go. Guys, so after you do the remove the fender clips on both sides and stuff on the bottom, and the 2 screws, your bumper is ready to come off. So there's a couple clips here, a couple clips along here, and there's like a clip where the grill is. So some people like to use the plastic pry tool. I don't have any plastic pry tools, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pull the bumper off. So how you want to do this is you want to grab, like, or this is how I do it. I grab the bumper, like the edge of the bumper with 2 of my hands, and I pull it like towards the middle of the bumper. And yeah, I'll just show you guys. Yeah, so like, just like that, this side of the bumper is released, and I'm going to do the same for the other side. Okay, so next I like to put my fingers under the grill, because there's a clip like right here inside the grill which you can't really see, but I'm gonna be pulling out like same thing in the same motion towards the middle of the car, and one hand's gonna be like at the side of the bumper, so just to provide some support.
Are you sure there's no clips under the hood? I think you're right, we didn't need that.
Okay, so we removed this, but so you can see like our hood is up now, and we removed that plastic panel, but you actually don't need to remove it. The reason why we removed it is just because we're going to be vinyl wrapping this part, and we want to be able to get it as
Clean as possible.
yeah, as clean as possible. But
My bad.
yeah, for the bumper, once these clips are off and these clips are off, and it's angling, you might get stuck on this, like the grill. So the first time we got stuck on the grill, we weren't sure what to do, but basically, if you look here, it's just one of these white clips that are like clipping onto something like up here. I'm not really sure. What I like to do is I like to put my fingers through this part of the grill and then pull towards myself, and it just pops off like that. So I'm just gonna leave this side hanging on the car, and I'm gonna do it on this side. Yeah, so it might help to have like a friend hold the bumper on that side, because when I pull this off, like the whole thing is probably just gonna fall on the ground. So you can just like put your hands here, like when these clips are off. Just pull towards yourself. If your bumper isn't off yet, you probably just have a couple of clips like I did hanging on, and you could just pull those off. So yeah, that's how you remove the 2017 CRV bumper, and yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, just leave them down in the comments below.